Traditionally, Easter is about the resurrection of Jesus, and all coming out of the pain. It symbolizes hope and new beginnings. Talking about pain, right? People keep saying, buy when there's blood in the street, even if the blood is your own. Many people miss the last bit. It's hard for a lot of us to do, I know. We're only human. When we've been losing money, watching the stocks in our portfolio going down so much, and to buy at a time, it's tough, man. It's tough. Therefore, we need to have our investing buddy or a group of people who are down to learn and grow together.
Oh God, please, no! No!
Tell your friends or family your investing plan. Ask them to hold you accountable, get them to do anything, like anything, to hold you to your plan. When to get in, when to take profits. Or put most of your money at a low-risk investment and have the rest of the money you can afford to lose for practice. Start really small, like 10, 20, 50 bucks per order, and learn about the charts, train yourself on sticking to plan, get the feeling of the market, and find good entry points. If I know I'm not great at controlling my emotions on buying and selling, and keep putting all my money in, it's 100% a suicidal move.
If you cannot control your emotions, you cannot control your money.